A lot of talk about the fact that the U.S. economy may finally be picking up. Even President Obama has opined that maybe, just maybe, the recession is over, although he's been cautious. But you do read it in a lot of economic and financial press that the recession may be over, we may have bottomed out, things may be looking up. Certainly, looking at the stock market, there's a lot of room for optimism. But from the viewpoint of the American consumer, the individuals that we interview here at Gallup Daily, we're not seeing anything dramatic yet. Let's look at consumer confidence. That's the percent of Americans who say the economy is getting better. That's up 38% for the week that ended on Sunday. That had been down at just 31% a few weeks ago, but we were at 38% back in early June and about that for several times prior to that, so this certainly isn't any breakthrough. The key will be, however, to see if in the weeks to come that number edges up. Will we set a new record for this year? If we get up to 40% or more saying the economy is getting better, that would certainly represent a new high and maybe, just maybe, signify that the American consumer is catching on that the economy is getting better. We're certainly not seeing any movement in terms of spending. In fact, the $53, which is what Americans told us they spent on average each day last week, is exactly half of where it was last summer at this time. It's even down from last week. No indication in these data that spending is picking up. And in terms of hiring, the percent of American workers who say their company is hiring people, adding new people to the payroll, that's at 24%. 1 out of 4 say their company is hiring, but look at the trend on this. That's really not significantly up from what we've been seeing. Bottom line, is this an uptick in consumer confidence we're seeing? Now, we're going to have to monitor that and see if it continues to go up. Certainly better that it's up now over the last several weeks than down. But critically, no increase in spending yet on the part of the tight-fisted American consumer. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, Editor-in-Chief of the Gallup Poll.